Yes! Welcome my guest for tonight. So we will be unboxing his iPhone 12 Pro plus the accessories that he bought. But, so this one guys is my birthday gift for him.
Birthday gift pero
But-
English.
But before he can open this, he has to do unboxing pero English version.
Oh my God! Hello guys! Saan ba vlog? Oh.
So you're going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro. So sa may naan yung iPhone 12 Pro. Why did you choose iPhone 12 Pro? So I'm just gonna throw you questions. It would not be
Nila
awkward.
5G.
English!
I mean, because they said it's 5G. So 5G just got real. Actually, I bought this phone not because I want to sakay-sakay the also of the world. So
What's your previous phone? Samsung
S8. But I want to switch to iPhone.
Switch back to
it's
iPhone.
because this has a weird style.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Alingasya siya guys kay...
Dili lagi magbinisaya!
Alingasya.
No! So why did you choose iPhone 12 Pro out of the other iPhones out there?
So I just wanted to switch to an iPhone. Android is really complicated. So that's why I switched to iPhone. That's it.
And why the color graphite?
Graphite, it's the safest color so far because it's somewhere like a space gray, black,
No,
gray
I think
color.
also it's because it's elegant looking and classy.
Aside sa elegant to look at, but to be safe for a man's perspective,
Mutaas sa itong vlog kanina ka rin kay explanation, weh.
perspective, tsada ang color. Graphite is the best for me. And then, what accessories did I buy? So, first to unbox is, so I bought four accessories. First is the USB-C adapter. Magsafe charger, glass cover. Oh!
Cover pa, mura
Yeah,
magyapon.
and the iPhone 12 clear case from Magsafe.
Kakis-kis pa na, mura magyapon.
Magsafe case akong gipalit because the price of those other brand of case is has a difference of 10 to 20 New Zealand dollars. So I rather have the Magsafe case, which is much better to look at than the other third-party iPhone case. What's up?
What's up mga kaigan yun? At yun na nga mga kaigan.
So, tang-tadadang! Let's unbox the iPhone. Tadang! Mahulog ba?
Ano mo kayo sa Ako na rin na.
It's the motherfucking deep.
Pag dili ba kadugay ba kayo makaabri? Taw ano niyo?
Seryoso mo kay kagod. Seryoso
Sige to.
mo. Pula na. Pula na yung gagawin. Simulong. So, maning graphite. This is the graphite.
Wapuloy na ako na na.
High score. Okay.
Magmini ra ka dili
So-
angayon sa imo angay na sako.
Ooh, scary. It's so scary.
Oh, sigaw ko sa kilid ba?
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Professional.
The Apple book.
Apple book.
The Apple.
Hello.
Excuse me.
Oh, pag withdraw lang, sa ba ingon ko sa mga mag-withdraw lang kag 1 million?
Yeah. So just this is the
Yo, social
typical, right? This is the typical
Typical.
instructions manual. The charger cord, which is one is the I don't know what type of charger is this, and the other one, as far as I know, is a USB-C connected to the adapter.
Hello. Oh. Tabi.
And then,
Nung saan naman ako asyenda dia?
so
Amo ba?
next,
Ihatag na lang na sa ila ha, kasabok ba nila? Saman. Anak ko to.
so
Wapo ko siya boy.
so
Wala yung mini ana?
no graphite, just black.
God
So, as per review, the reason why I chose this iPhone 12 Pro, it's because it has the same features as the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And at the same time, I chose this because of the battery life. So, I was wanting to have the iPhone 12 mini, but then again, the battery life is not that good. So,
Why?
because it's a mini, so the lesser it is, the lesser the battery capacity. But this one, the base is 128 gigabytes. So with the size, it doesn't matter because I have big hands. So as you can see, this is my hand. This is the iPhone. See? Like this. So it's not that big.
Yes.
So
also you can see iPhone in the face.
so no adapter. So you have to buy your own. That's why I do have an adapter. Okay guys, so I'll open this one later. I'll just move on to the accessories first. Next to open guys is the USB-C adapter. So in New Zealand, this is worth $34.99. So this is a 20 watt power adapter, USB-C. Excuse me, nagunsa naman ka diya.
Pwede naman di ko. Ano si pare naman gede kayo? Pwede na ako mag-iPhone 12 Pro siguro. Dapat na diha.
So,
ning kamo tug imo.
So this lady here, guys, is trying to snatch my phone. So she's trying. So she's trying to replace the box with her iPhone XS. You can see. So
Dugay kay mag-review. Papo siya siya.
So next is I'm gonna unbox the adapter. Adapter.
Parer.
So I'm just gonna adapt. I'm just gonna adapt. So just gonna take this one off.
Gusto ko ani. Tulo pa man to nabilin, di ba?
So iPhone C adapter. So this is the one.
Gwapo dahil lang ko ani.
So it's really nice to look at. It's really nice.
Compare it to our charger. Katong charger sa una.
So it's a little one. So this one is a little USB-C. Wait, kung dagoy may na-focus niya.
USB-C. Ang katong isa na to sa una. Unsa man to?
Type A, USB. It is a USB Type A.
Kaya isa.
Stay. Yawa.
Tagla ko pala ginaagi ba? Wala, i-compare siya itong ako. Get mine.
So this is
Sa
from
kanang
her iPhone XS. So
yeah, iPhone
this
XS.
is,
I think it's also the same with other iPhones, like the old ones, and then that's the USB-C. And
so this is the Type A. So this is the C. So if
Type C.
So there's a really big difference. Glass Elite Vision Guard. So
Glass Elite. Wag igit lang.
the Elite.
Elite yun. Elite, sorry, Elite.
Glass Elite.
Elite.
So they said
Sige, so
the iPhone Pro or the iPhone 12 has a ceramic shield, so it's 4 times harder than the previous iPhones. But I did
ngano na pait-pait naman kada
this one because I've seen some reviews that it's crack proof, but it's not scratch. It's not that scratch proof. Char, but actually so next guys is this shield. So Glass Elite Vision Guard. So I bought this because just to protect my phone. So I'm going to open this.
Open!
What? What?
Chika, come on, open that, open.
I didn't say anything.
How many times do you open that?
Okay.
Okay. Doggy.
Oh, hang on.
Ingat mo, baby.
I was trying to open on this side, but it says steer there for the left. Steer there for the left.
Tear.
Steer from the left.
That.
So it's down here. See?
Oh, see? Sige.
Ako dagoy may focus.
Tear from the leaf. Tear from the leaf.
So, nari siya steer from the left.
Kadugay, baka makagisik.
Ikwan be?
Ikaw man akong gisiun.
The Magsafe charger. So while the phone has its own free charger without the adapter, but still I'm wanting to do the wireless one, so I bought the Magsafe. Just wanted to try this kind of charger. This would prevent me from holding my phone on charge while using it. So this is a great help for me and for my wife.
Alam kasi gusto niya.
Now, ang ibig kong sabihin,
Tagalog ka naman.
hapon. So, that's what I say. This is an optional, but you would really need this. It's because it's wireless. So, this is the Magsafe charger. Magsafe charger. So, we'll try later on. My iPhone 12 Pro clear case. So, see? Oh, it's just ECA. And the clear case. Ta-da!
Nada siya ko.
So, it's really nice. Take a look at that. So, it has a magnet. So, as you can see, this round thing is a magnet. And, okay, back to our iPhone 12 Pro. So, the moment of truth. Ready?
Unboxing naman good news. Dagan kiksturya.
Ready. Ta-da!
Unya. So what?
So it's really nice, guys. Take a look. I'll turn it on. So this, guys, it really looks nice. It's really nice. Yeah, you see, guys,
It looks so elegant.
it looks so.
I think that would suit me much better than you. For you, I think the mini is alright. Mini green.
So I really like this case. I mean, so as you can see, there is here is the mat.
But there's no thumbprint that you can.
But with the thumbprint, you could not see it. See?
No traces of
But
thumbprint.
on the edges, which is the stainless steel, you would see thumb mark. I'll do another review as the day goes by. So I'll be making another video of this phone, especially with the video, the pictures.
Ang taba review pa ba na nimo? Ako naman na.
So
That mine.
guys, I don't know if I could still review this phone because my wife is trying to have some interest on this phone, so we'll see how it goes. Try to connect this one. So, see, so it can be detached. Also be, so it's not that hard to take off. So it's really nice. So, and it can also be twisted. See?
Oh, wow.
Okay. So it would really be handy.
Ikaw na.
So it's really nice. So
what?
and so that's it for my iPhone 12 Pro unboxing Graphite.
Unboxing. Guys, ano may vaccine na rin? Unboxing.
So, first of all, I would like to thank my wife who's been very supportive with my new phone. But the twist was really scary about letting me speak in English. But I did have the phone.
You did well, you did well, you did well.
So, we're gonna end this vlog, guys.
Salamat, mahuman ra yun.
And we'll see you on
Yes.
our next vlog. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye!
See you on our next vlog. Bye.
Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Bye.